Hey everyone, it's Azrael 1954 here, 1954, and yes, I am back to making videos again. Yes, I know what you're gonna say, you guys know what I'm gonna say. Can't because school and other stuff, so, yeah. But I am trying to keep this channel alive, you know how hard it is nowadays. But yeah, so anyways, I'm back for another unboxing video, and today we'll be unboxing the Godzilla vs. Kong, Playmates Godzilla vs. Kong, Warbat with Osprey. Finally, I have this figure, finally. And this is also a birthday present. Which I am happy for. And yes, the wing came unattached, but don't worry, I can just easily fix that once I get the whole thing out. So, where did I put my... Okay. I should have done the map before I did this, but I'm lazy as heck. But, yeah. So, see if I can get my tools out. And what are scissors? Oh, here we go. Sorry, I came unprepared for this. Yeah, so there's a Warbat. The wing's off. I know I just said. As I just said, I will put it back on once I get him out. So I know a lot of people have this figure before me. Yes, there's another piece of the wing. So that's pretty cool. And of course, I think that's the only thing that's what? Hold on. Oh, yep, I have to do the same thing like I always do with these. And yes, I do know about the news about a MonsterVerse TV show. And honestly, in my opinion, I am not that surprised. I am not surprised. You guys can hate me on that. I am not that surprised at all. So, sorry. I will do my thoughts on it, like what I'm gonna think of it. Besides what I just said when I wasn't too surprised. I'll give you my official thoughts on it whenever I get a chance. Okay, that came flying up. Yep, I always have to open these from the inside. But since that could be easily put back in, put the box down there. Alright. Ugh, tire wraps. Well, they are useful for something. I have to. Alright. It should come out. I'm scared of my computer. Alright. Wow. There's the Warbat without his wings on. And what is that? What in the world is this? There's a Warbat. What in the world is this? What is this? Can anyone tell me what that is in the comments? What is that? Oh, wait, it's Playmates. I'll put the box back together after the video. Oh. Yep. So, like like I keep saying, I am not entirely surprised about the Monsterverse TV show that has been announced. I am not that surprised. You guys can hate me on that. I don't care. I tend not to. I don't like TV shows that much. I mean, I never watch them. I only watch like shows on Netflix. And that kind of sounds like the same thing, but whatever. Just put quiet on here. Anyways, yep. I will do my thoughts on it. Official thoughts. That's just like my thoughts about it now. So, I know that doesn't make sense. I am aware of that. Alright, let's get the Osprey out. Well, you guys know what I like to do with these. Throw them! Don't ask. I just like having fun on here. Alright, so I think I might need to look at the instructions on how to put wings on, because... Oh, that makes sense. So... Oh, so that's supposed to hold the figure. Oh. Interesting. That was terrible, I'm aware. Oh, that helps it not from sticking together. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, how do you put this on? Goes... Let's break it. Ugh. Okay. Have to deal with that later. Let's get the wings on first. So the wings going like this. Okay, I'm probably gonna put these on the wrong way. Or did I put them on the right way? Oh. Ow. Oh. That was easy. So the battle damage just goes on like so. Oh, this snaps in instead of pushing it in like the Godzilla, Mechagodzilla, and Kong figures from Playmates. And how the heck do you get this thing on without breaking the thing? And then something just popped up on my computer. I don't care about that. So, the hecky? Am I just being stupid or something? Or am I putting this on? Yeah, that's the Warbat. That's awesome. I wish we got to see more of them. We kind of saw two when Godzilla vs. Kong. I'm probably putting this on anyway. So this holds the figure? Ugh. Okay. Oh. Is that how it works? Is that how it goes on? Is it going like that? Okay, I guess it's on. Maybe. I'm not sure if I put it on the right way. Wait, I think I got it on properly. I know that was the right way, but whatever. Alright, so that is it for today's video. That is the Warbat with the whole thing on him. I do not know what that plastic thing is used for. Whatever. So, review coming soon. Hopefully, if I can get out soon. There's the Osprey. And, as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.